స్టూడెంట్స్ ఈ వీడియోలో గుడ్ హ్యాబిట్స్ గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం.
Rising early in the morning, taking regular bath, wearing neat and clean uniform, putting on polished shoes, reaching school in time, say bye to your mother, say good morning to your teachers when you reach school in the morning, listening to your teacher attentively, help your teacher carry books, help your teacher dust off the blackboard, paying full attention to your studies, reading quietly in the library. We all are good friends. We never quarrel with each other. We sing together. We play together. Keeping your satchel at proper place. Taking your lunch on time. Watching TV for some time. Allowing parents to watch their favorite TV programs. Doing your homework regularly. Playing game. Say please for taking something. When the person called is not at home, note down the message. Serving drinks to the guests.